Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making, or I'm making up, a little Easter treat, and it's so simple. It's fun to do with the kids if you're that mom or that grandma that likes to do little Easter treats with the kids. This is the perfect thing. Let them get their hands in there. I got my grandbabies here, but they chose to go play because they know it's going to be ready to munch on later. We also call it bunny munch, Easter bunny munch. But it's an Easter treat, and it's not just for the kids. Us grown adults like it too. And it's just so simple to put together. Store-bought, just simple ingredients. You'll be needing some pretzels. Everything you need for this is in the description. Some bugles, some dry roasted peanuts, some Teddy Grahams or Bunny Grahams, some pastel colored M&Ms, some rice chex mix, and some vanilla bark coating, which you find in the baking aisle. It comes in like an ice tray. We'll just be getting that melted up. And it's just so simple. You're just going to add things to your bowl, spread it out on a baking sheet, let that chocolate dry, and get it mixed up and break it all up and munch on it. We like to put it in little bags and have it for snacking. The kids love it. I love it. But we're just going to add everything together. There's our rice chex cereal, dry roasted peanuts. You can basically put whatever you want in this. Some of those pastel color M&Ms. Some pretzel sticks there and some bugles. Just get this all. I don't want to break a whole lot of things up. So we'll just get this mixed. Now here I have my vanilla bark. I'm going to put this in, I don't know what size wattage microwave you have. Put this in the microwave. Give it a stir every 30 to 40 seconds. You don't want to boil it, you're just melting it. Just until it's melted. Stir it every 30 seconds until it's melted. Okay? Okay, I got that going there for 30 seconds. Forgot to add my Teddy Grahams. We usually add those, they're little bunnies, the Grahams. I couldn't find them though, so I'm putting the Teddy Grahams. Okay, I think I hit 30 seconds like 3 times. You're not looking to get it hot, just to melt it. And if you can't find the almond bark vanilla flavoring candy coating like this, you can use white chocolate. It's just a bit more pricier, and this tastes better, to be honest, if you can find it. Okay, so we have our little bunny munch there. You're just going to drizzle that right over. Get it mixed up a bit. This is some good munchies right here, y'all. You ain't got to be kids, but the kids sure do love it. And I got some kids around here, the neighbors. That's who my grandbabies are out playing with. This is where this is all going to go, to the kids. And, of course, make some more up for Easter. We'll get the rest of that vanilla bark on there. And what I'm going to do is just mix this up. Get it all out of there. Scrape it all out of there. I'm going to get this mixed up. I'm going to spread it on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. And then it'll sit just until this chocolate is set. So I'm going to continue to mix that up. Trying not to break too much of those bugles and chex mix up. Okay, we got it mixed up. We're going to get this bunny munch here poured onto there. Get it all out of there. See a little bit of dry bits down there, but that's okay, because we'll get this spread out. And then once that chocolate, see that chocolate's already firming up in this bowl here. There's my dog. Got my sister coming in. And we'll just get this spread out. Once that chocolate firms up, we're going to break this up and get it bagged up. Or bowled up for now, the presentation. Now on this too, I wanted to mention, before that dries, if you have some pretty pastel spring sprinkles, I went to buy some and they were out of stock. So when this is still wet, put you some sprinkles and mix the sprinkles, the pretty sprinkles in there. It just makes it look prettier. Okay, that is all firmed up. You break this up into the cluster size you want. If you want it all individual, see, it just pulls right up off that parchment paper. But I'm going to break this up and we're going to get it bowled up. Okay, friends, there it is, the Bunny Munch, the Easter treat. And it's good. I've already been picking at it. I put some in this bowl here too. You can see there how tasty that is. It's addicting. I think my favorite part of this is the bugles and the Teddy Grahams. Take a bite and it stays nice and crisp. Oh boy, is that good. But I'm going to get this bagged up and hand it out to the kids. They'll enjoy this. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying the channel. And share. I got some stuff in the store tab below if you want to click on that. But like I said, it's all in the description what you'll be needing for this. It's worth making. It's really good. Like I said, what, 3 times now? It's not just for kids. But you guys, give this a try, okay? But until then, love one another, stay safe, and we will see you all next week, okay? Y'all enjoy your Sunday. Love y'all. Bye-bye.